Did you know that over 80% of college students have to deal with Turnitin at some point in their academic career? That is staggering number. But here is the kicker. Many students think that they cannot write anything without it being flagged for plagiarism. This is alert that is not true. Actually, dear students and writers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a hot topic that every student needs to know about and every writer should know that how to beat the Turnitin and get that A plus grade and fantastic results on your paper and on your writing. I'm going to share some strategies that not only help you to avoid these. Here's the one of the plagiarism report. You can see that almost no plagiarism in this file and very little plagiarism, few words only. How this is possible? Actually, here is a big reveal that ultimate tip that can seriously elevate your submission, the art of senses. Instead of just summarizing sources, combine different viewpoints and ideas to create a new argument or perspective. That will only make your paper unique but also demonstrate the critical thinking level and your professor will love it. When you senses information, you are not just rehashing what others have said, you are making it your own. So the next time you are stuck, try pulling together insights from multiple sources and see how it transforms your paper. Now let me conclude this discussion. So, wrap it up. Remember to paraphrase effectively, cite your sources correctly, and most importantly, inject your own thoughts into your writing. Originality and integrity are key when it comes to the academic work, and they will help you not just avoid turning flags but also excel in your studies, in your research, in your writings. And at the end, I would like to thank for you turning in. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how you deal with Turnitin. I would love to hear your experience. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more academic tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video. Good luck. Have a good time.